In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between pull and push strategy. A company needs to understand as to what kind of marketing strategy it wants to implement, whether it will be a push strategy or pull strategy. In the case of low cost, low involvement, impulse product, push strategy works better. The company just needs to push its products through the marketing channel by its sales staff. Sales staff is supported by the trade promotion scheme. On the other hand, pull strategy works better in high involvement products like consumer durables and auto products. In this strategy, manufacturer advertises the products heavily to induce customers to ask for their product. So on the whole, in push strategy, the product is pushed to the retail shelf, so that is visible and available, while in pull strategy, the customers are pulled towards the product by advertising and brand building exercises. Now let us recap. In this video, we discussed the pull as well as push strategy. It is always better to pull the customers towards your product, but if it is not happening, push will give you the way to market your products. Thank you.